Beyond the workbench lies a realm of creativity and sustainability where artisans craft high demand. Eco-luxury homemade wine racks from reclaimed wood and scrap metals, turning basic materials into premium products that appeal to discerning consumers. The journey begins with an exploration of the rich history of old wood and metals, materials that carry stories of their past through the knots and grains of the timber, as well as the patina and texture of aged metal. These reclaimed materials often come from sources such as old barns, vintage furniture, or even repurposed industrial scraps, each piece steeped in history and character. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. By embracing this background, artisans not only connect their creations to a narrative that resonates with environmentally conscious customers, but also tap into the growing demand for unique, handmade items that glorify sustainability over mass production. This venture is not merely about constructing wooden shelves. It's about reviving the soul of materials that have weathered time and crafting them into functional art pieces that enhance contemporary living spaces. Transforming reclaimed timber into high demand, eco-luxury wine racks requires a nuanced understanding of design techniques that go beyond basic DIY projects. Artisans can elevate these rustic materials into sophisticated items that not only serve a practical purpose, but also act as stunning decor elements in homes. For instance, when working with old barn wood, artisans can highlight the natural beauty of the material by allowing its imperfections, such as knots and rough edges, to take center stage. This approach not only embodies the philosophy of embracing sustainability, but also adds character and charm to each wine rack. Utilizing these unique features, artisans can create designs that blend rustic elegance with modern sensibilities, appealing to a broad audience that appreciates both form and function. Crafting thoughtful geometries, integrating varying textures, and using organic shapes resonate deeply with the aesthetic values of eco-conscious consumers who seek products that reflect authenticity and craftsmanship. The use of scrap metal provides an additional dimension to the design of wine racks, presenting innovative ways to incorporate strength and visual interest. By selecting well-weathered metal from old tools or farm equipment, artisans can juxtapose the warmth of wood with the industrial feel of metal, creating a striking contrast that instantly elevates the piece. Such combinations not only enhance the visual appeal, but also tell a compelling story about the material's origins, merging rustic and modern design elements into cohesive works of art. Creative design techniques, like repurposing vintage hardware as decorative elements or using metal framing to create functional yet beautiful structures, can transform simple wine racks into statement pieces that command attention and prices in the marketplace. Finishing techniques also play a critical role in enhancing the allure and marketability of these handmade wine racks. The choice of finishes can elevate the rustic charm found in reclaimed wood to a level of sophistication and refinement that appeals to luxury consumers. Artisans can opt for natural oils or eco-friendly finishes designed to protect the wood, while bringing out the vivid colors and grain patterns inherent in each piece. Mastering the application process ensures that the final products not only look polished, but also feel outstanding to the touch. In addition to maintaining the rustic essence, these finishes contribute to the longevity of the wine racks, aligning perfectly with the values of sustainability that modern consumers hold dear. Moreover, transparent storytelling becomes crucial in marketing these handmade creations. Artisans are not just selling wine racks, they are offering a lifestyle choice rooted in sustainable craftsmanship and environmental respect. as contemporary consumers increasingly seek meaningful purchases that align with their values, sharing the journey of each reclaimed piece, from its origins to the craftsmanship involved in its transformation, can create deeper emotional connections and promote strong brand loyalty. Using effective storytelling techniques, whether through social media platforms, craft fairs, or artisanal markets, artisans can engage potential buyers and evoke a sense of admiration for the craft's rich heritage. Captivating narratives surrounding the wine racks elevate them from mere possessions to treasured artifacts, enhancing their desirability and perceived value in the eyes of consumers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Navigating this creative and business landscape requires more than just skill in woodworking. It also involves an entrepreneurial mindset aimed at understanding market demands and customer preferences. As artisans develop their niche, they can tailor their wine rack designs to resonate with contemporary trends while also harnessing an awareness of timeless styles that draw customers in. Careful observation of market dynamics, combined with the ability to innovate and adapt, will ensure that the products remain relevant and sought after. This dexterity can lead to high profit margins, demonstrating that sustainable craftsmanship is not just an eco-friendly choice, but also a lucrative avenue for modern artisans. Ultimately, crafting eco-luxury homemade wine racks from reclaimed wood and metals encapsulates a harmonious blend of tradition, creativity, and sustainability. It allows artisans to express their artistic vision while simultaneously contributing positively to the environment by minimizing waste and celebrating the stories inherent in reclaimed materials. Through thoughtful design, meticulous craftsmanship, and compelling storytelling, these homemade creations elevate rustic charm into sophisticated pieces of art that appeal to today's environmentally conscious and style-savvy consumers. In this way, the journey from the workbench to market transcends mere craftsmanship, embodying a movement towards sustainable living that is not only beneficial for the planet, but also proves to be a profitable and fulfilling endeavor for artisans committed to their craft. As more artisans embrace this approach, they contribute to a vibrant community dedicated to preserving the past while creating a sustainable future, showcasing the rich potential of woodworking artistry in an ever-evolving market. The transformation of old wood and metal into high demand, eco-luxury wine racks demonstrates that sustainable craftsmanship is not just possible. It is a thriving business opportunity that celebrates both creativity and responsibility. This alchemy of skill, vision, and eco-consciousness crafts not only wine racks, but a legacy of art that endures, reflects values, and inspires sustainable choices in every home. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.